Hi guys, welcome back to the program. The other day I told you that Fidelity is now going to offer real-time fractional share trading. Now, as I said, at this point, and I decided I was going to take a look around, see what I can find out, because somebody asked me, when is Schwab going to start theirs? And I honestly can't tell you that yet, but let me tell you what I found. So we'll start off with here. Fidelity will now let you buy a fraction of stock or ETF. Here's what it could mean for 401ks. Okay, so this announcement falls, now this is dated January 29th, 2020, you guys. This announcement falls on the heels of eliminating trading commissions, first by Schwab and then by Fidelity. In late 2019, fractional share trading is sometimes called dollar-based investing and allows investors to buy as little as 0.001 of a share of a stock or an ETF, but only on Fidelity's mobile app starting today. Fidelity said they are going to be working on their Fidelity.com active trader platform, but notes that customer visits are more often through the mobile app, 52% versus the actual website at 48%. But it does sound like they're going to get that going on. So when I read that, I decided to see if I could find anything about when Charles Schwab, who said they were going to start it in a few months, if we go back to this page, it says, now this is dated October 19th of 2019, you guys. So we're talking 3.5 months ago now. Can't afford to buy a $1,780 share of Amazon? Charles Schwab will offer fractional share trading in an effort to attract young investors. And it's a smart idea. The purchase of sale of fractional shares is one of the several new investing programs coming to the firm's platform, the firm's founder, Charles Schwab, told the Wall Street Journal. Schwab to enable fractional share trading. Again, this is October 17th. Schwab will enable investors to buy and sell fractions of shares. Earlier this month, they eliminated trading commissions, setting off a war among the brokerages that led to TD Ameritrade dropping their commissions and so on and so forth. Fractional share trading will allow investors to diversify their investment portfolios by spreading relatively small pots of money over a broader range of stocks. Okay, so I decided I couldn't find anything that showed that they were going to start this yet. So I decided to go to the Charles Schwab website and see if I could even find it. So let's take a look. Now when I type in fractional shares on their website, it comes up, fractional share purchases. Let's try that one. And it comes down, related searches are purchase stock, Okay. Equity programs, employee stock purchase, no. Purchase a home, no. As a participant in your company stock, no. Can use the IRS vouchers to purchase a home, no. Purchase money funds. What do I need to know about estate taxes? Trading support for professional traders, maybe there. Money management tips for couples. Margin rates. Week trading didn't go my way. So let's try the trading support because maybe it's on there. Okay. How to get started. And basically nothing there. So their FAQ page doesn't even have, let's try it without the perks. Let's just go fractional shares. See if it says anything about it on Schwab.com. That's basically the same list we just had, you guys. So in other words, I can't find anything that gives a date as to when Charles Schwab is even going to actually start allowing fractional shares. Now, I had one viewer say that he has Fidelity and that it wasn't completely enabled. If you found anything out, if you have Schwab and you've actually got anything maybe in the mail or anything else online that's told you when they're going to start the fractional shares, you guys, put them in the comments and let me know. And I would really appreciate that. If you use Fidelity's app and you've been able to buy fractional shares or you haven't been able yet to buy fractional shares, let me know down below. Okay, you guys? We're all going to get more information if we share it with each other. So anyway, just a quick video because as I said, I did have a couple people ask when Charles Schwab was going to start the fractional shares that they promised us 4 months ago. I haven't been able to find anywhere on the internet that they have started or a release date. If you guys have found that, let me know down below, okay? Hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the community, guys, please think about subscribing. We try to do interactive things about investing. We try to talk a little bit about taxes. We do a little talk about retirement. And I'm thinking about starting a series on pensions. So if you guys have any interest in any of these things, subscribe and stand by. We will come back to you. Thanks a lot.